Good day everyone. Now, we teach you the step-by-step of creating Windows 10 OS on your PC or laptop. Ang unang kailangan natin ay isang flash drive na at least 8 GB kasi pag mas mababa ay hindi kakasya yung Windows 10 OS natin. Installer natin at kailangan natin i-separate sa PC or sa laptop kung saan mo ida-download yung installer natin at ilalagay mo siya sa USB na to.
The first step is to download Windows 10 Media. I-run nyo ito at may lalabas na Windows 10 setup tulad ng nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. And the second step, follow the settings to download and install the OS files and make sure that the files are properly downloaded. Make sure lang na yung directory na pinagsasavean nyo ngayon ay pupunta sa flash drive nyo. Third step would be is to insert your USB flash drive that have the installer into your PC or laptop. Once trying to reformat, then turn on your PC or laptop while spamming Del or F2. After entering the BIOS screen, click Boot Overdrive, then select Boot Drive and done. Kaya kung nahanap nyo na yung Boot Overdrive or Boot option, make sure na i-assign nyo first yung flash drive USB nyo. Dapat ito yung unang magbo-boot, kumbaga siya yung number 1 priority, or kung naka-boot overdrive man kayo, iselect nyo yung flash drive nyo na merong Windows 10 installer. After that, i-install na natin yung Windows 10 OS. Pindutin nyo lang yung install now and ilagay ang activation key ng Windows. I-select ang Windows 10 at kung saang drive i-install.
Lastly, activate the Windows 10 OS and there will be two types of Windows 10, the OEM and the retail key. Yung OEM po ay isang version lang po pwedeng magamit at didikit na po siya sa motherboard nyo, pero kapag nagbago ka ng part na may chance na mawala yung OS nyo at magre-reactivate, gamit ang ibang key at pwede mo lang siyang gamitin ng isang beses at hindi ka pala upgrade kasi nakabind yan sa motherboard nyo. Then yung isa naman po is ang retail key. Yung retail key naman po ay pwede mo po siyang i-transfer kahit na upgrade ka pa ng upgrade 2 to 3 times ng mga motherboard or components sa PC mo, pero mas mahal po ang retail key kaysa sa OEM. E di may legit ano ka na, may legit Windows 10 ka na. During the Windows 10 installation, we are guided through language selection, terms acceptance, and partition management using a graphical interface similar to earlier versions. However, Windows 10 emphasizes Microsoft account connection and provides additional customization choices, such as privacy setting, which were less prominent in previous versions. Furthermore, the installation procedure is quicker and more efficient as a result of better driver and installation media management. And now, you learn how the step-by-step of creating Windows 10 in your PC or laptop so that you can do it on your own skills. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.